What's up, guys? It's Bree
and Candid,
and we're back today with another video. What are we doing, babe?
We are doing the viral TikTok snacks
Yes, so
challenge.
we got some
Viral TikTok snacks.
we got some Takis,
Got some bell peppers,
bell peppers,
a jalapeno
jalapeno
pepper. That's spicy.
That's spicy, yeah.
Fluffy stuff.
Fluffy stuff, pickles. I don't know why we got this big ass jar of pickles.
Because we couldn't
But-
find the single pickle.
We're not gonna eat all these pickles.
No.
Just let you guys know that now. We're not. So, and we got everything bagel seasoning
And cream cheese.
and cream cheese. Okay, we're gonna try the bell
Pepper with the... Oh, we might need a spoon.
a spoon.
Yeah, because you have to put the cream cheese inside the bell pepper and then the bagel seasoning.
Okay.
on top of
Oh,
the
wait,
cream
hold
cheese.
on. Pause. Wait a minute. What do we have to do again? Because you were just speaking.
So we
hella
have the
fast.
bell pepper.
Okay. Bell pepper.
Put the cream cheese inside the bell pepper.
Inside the bell pepper. Okay.
Pepper.
Pepper.
And then you put
Pepper.
the everything bagel seasoning on top
On tie.
on top
On
of
top
the cream
of
cheese.
the cream cheese. Okay. If y'all heard that clearly, she literally just said cream cheese. Bell pepper, cream cheese, everything bagel seasoning.
Yes.
All right, all in one. I'm back. I got 2 big old spoons. Okay. Dang, these big.
And
All right. So first things first. Okay, guys. Here we go. We're about to open this cream. Ooh. Y'all like cream cheese? I like cream cheese. Okay. Ready? All right. So we just take some right and then just slap it in there.
yeah, you basically fill it up with cream cheese.
Fill it up. We got these little ass containers. All right. You guys. I guess you said we fill it up with cream cheese.
I think
That's enough. Y'all think that's enough? Comment down below, cause I think I put too much. I think I put way too much cream cheese.
well, yeah, I think that's enough because once you bite into it, you're gonna be able to taste the cream cheese with everything mixed in there.
Oh shoot. Okay. And then we're gonna open this everything bagel seasoning. We never used it, so. To our fur babies.
Hello to my beautiful friends.
Come here. Come on, you're coming over here with me.
Ooh, does she hit her head?
No, that was my elbow. Oh,
Oh, are you okay?
yeah, I'm fine. Say hello, my beautiful friends, my beautiful friends. Okay, so they're just intrigued on what we're, get back on what we're doing right now. Say hello, all right, say goodbye. Oh, you want to stay over here? Oh, okay. Go over there.
She's a little feisty.
What's wrong with you?
She's very feisty.
Oh. Sloppy?
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Wait!
Woo!
I put too much.
I think you put
Look. I know you guys probably can't see it on the camera, but I put.
No! Don't eat that!
Don't eat the everything bagel seasoning. No,
Mommy, no.
Get down. Come here.
Sit down. Sit down.
Back to reality. Look, I think I put too much. This is about to. Okay. This might be good though. I might have put enough.
Yeah, look.
Ow! This is good. I put way too much though. It's salty.
Look. I mean, it's a little salty,
I
but
don't
it's
like
good.
the aftertaste. That's good though. It's salty.
I think that's because you put too much.
It's a little salty. I did just put way too much everything bagel seasoning, but it's okay.
Y'all can't see, but Genesis is behind
She's
her.
right here. Jen.
Trying to hide.
Look at she popped her head up. Jen. Nope.
No, you can't have none.
Fighting for once. Look. Oh. Look how cute you guys are. Oh my God! She hit her head. You okay? No. No. I was trying to make them have a hug.
No.
I was trying to make them hug
Okay.
and just be friends for once, but that didn't work.
Okay.
You okay? All right. No, back up. No.
She's telling her like.
No, get back. All right, guys. So we got the pickles open. Okay. Well, not really open. It's not all the way open. Ooh! Oh my God, the juice is all the way at the top. Be careful. It just slipped.
Just grab with your finger.
I don't want to put my hands in the. Okay.
Just grab with your finger there.
Oh. Okay, I got it. Got one pickle.
Thank you.
Is my pickle all small? Okay.
Mine is
pickles.
bigger.
Yeah. Like they just stuffed these ones. These ones got wrinkles in it and stuff. I don't know what's wrong with these pickles. Fluffy stuff. This is cotton candy, but it's called fluffy stuff.
What you get? That's what you get.
Wait a minute.
She gets. You opened it on the wrong freaking side. Where the pressure was going down there. That's what you get.
Okay. I need some cotton candy anyway, so.
Yeah, but you'll need that whole thing.
Guys, it's cotton candy flakes floating around.
That, but
Because it's not wet enough. I think because the juice.
See, look, one mine is already.
Okay, this is enough because my fingers it's not working out for me. It's not working out for me. Okay.
That's funny.
Let me show you guys my finishing touch. This is not really how
Why does mine look better?
Oh no.
This is my finishing touch. I gotta hurry up and bite into this because.
Okay, so. Oh.
No.
It's too much sweetness and sourness going. Let me take another bite and see.
No, it is. It's like the sourness is overpowering the sweetness.
Guys, I don't really like this pickle and cotton candy vibe. Nope. On to the next snack. Alright guys, we're on to the last viral TikTok snack. How do you spell TikTok?
TIKT.
I always think it's TIC. Wait, no. TOC.
No.
I be confused. Anyways, don't mind me. We got the hot pepper. Ooh, I got it. Alright.
My hot pepper.
Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright, look.
So, how this goes is we cut the bottom. Is it the bottom or the top?
Oh.
I think it's the top.
The top.
We cut the top of the jalapeno where the stem is. And then we get all the seeds out so it won't be spicy. And then we put some cream cheese in there and then some 3 Takis.
Okay. So let's get started. We're doing it now. Gonna cut us some jalapeno.
They said to get all the seeds out in the middle part out because if you don't, it's gonna be spicy. Very spicy.
Okay, guys.
I can't.
I got mine open. There's a black hole. Here, let me see. Okay, so let me wipe this off. I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna just push it and put it on there, and then push it with the knife. Okay, guys. So cream cheese.
Let's see whose works out better.
cheese. Damn, it went all the way down. Gonna open the bag of Takis. We got the Fuego kind. Obviously other kinds, but the viral TikTok snack has the purple bag.
See yours?
Okay, I put too much in here. Okay, I don't know if I can fit 3 Takis in here. Because I got a really small.
Ew! What a weird noise.
Yeah, I got a small one, so mine is kind of sticking out.
Mine is too, a little bit. I put too much cream cheese in it. I think.
All right, ready? We just bite the whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Okay, how am I going?
I don't know, that's what I said.
Okay.
Just bite the Takis off right now. And you know, I can just 1,
2,
3.
3. What is good?
Mine's a little spicy. I think.
It's spicy. But it's good.
I think my pepper because it has some veins in there. It's good. It's very good.
This is a snack. But oh god, hold on. I could use another Taki.
My mouth is on fire right now. I don't think it's the Takis though. I think mine is my pepper. Because mine had veins in it. And when I get that out.
Guys? This is too spicy.
Entirely.
Oh my god.
But it's good.
Oh my god, my hands. Have some water. But it's wow. Okay. Ah! Woo! That's hot. Baby.
I'm used to hot stuff.
No, I'm used to it too. I eat hot stuff all the time. But this hit different. Ooh. Oh, you alright?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just water. I'm okay. Ow. Ow. That hurt. I'm okay.
I'm sorry.
Ooh. Okay, I'm back to reality. I'm good. My mouth, my can't even talk. My lips is burning.
My gum is burning. I think mine was my pepper.
All right, guys. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like,
comment, and subscribe, and share, please.
She was daydreaming. I don't know. And share. Oh, and please turn on post notifications so you can get notified when we post. Please, thank you. Okay. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.